Setting up the Facebook Conversion API involves configuring your server to send event data directly to Facebook's servers. This allows for more accurate tracking of conversions and provides redundancy in case browser-based tracking is limited or blocked. Here's how to set it up. Access Events Manager. Log into your Facebook business account and navigate to Events Manager. Create or select your pixel. If you haven't already set up a pixel, create one. Otherwise, select the pixel you want to configure for Conversion API. Set up server-side events. In the pixel settings, navigate to the Aggregated Event Measurement section and choose Setup next to Conversions API. Generate Access Token. Copy the access token provided by Facebook. This token is used to authenticate requests sent to the Conversion API endpoint. Configure server. On your server side, implement code to send event data to Facebook's Conversion API endpoint. This involves making HTTP POST requests to the endpoint with the necessary event parameters, such as event name, user data, and access token. Test implementation. Send test events to Facebook using your server-side code and verify that they are received and processed correctly in Events Manager. Monitor performance. Once Conversion API is set up, monitor its performance and ensure that events are being tracked accurately and consistently.